So my lovely Rain did approve of the holder. So now, hey, wait, whoa, what does that face mean? You don't really like it?
Yes, but something is happening with it.
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses Pallet Idea Edition. Yes, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am so excited to be with y'all here today. And this idea actually came because on yesterday I did that whole speed challenge to see how many pallets I can break down in 10 minutes. And I have like a lot of extra boards. And I was like, oh snap, like I can't just have this all scattered about in my backyard. It already looks bad as it is. And I'm like, okay, what can I do? What am I gonna do to clean this up, to get this right, and to make it look presentable as I am, of course, you know, building out my garden and things like that. So I'm gonna start having people over, and things have to look presentable when people come over to the Jones de la Casa, okay? So at the end of the day, I was like, okay, I need to make this shelf, I need to make this rack, I need to make this contraption that's gonna hold my pallet boards until I need them for the next build, okay? And so that is what I'm gonna build right before you all here today. And so what I'm gonna do first is just like clear out this area, because essentially this is of course where things have landed, and then from there it's hard for me to even say it because y'all know me, y'all know my motto, always use scrap wood, don't throw away your scrap wood. But in this case, I'm gonna throw some things away, okay? Because there's some wood that has been split, there's some wood that has been sitting here since the beginning of my pallets builds, and I'm like, okay, it's time for them to go, okay? And speaking of go, I have a joke that I want to give. I have two jokes actually I'm gonna give in this video, and the first one goes like this: why did the scarecrow win the award? Okay, you know, it's October, it's like Halloween. My daughter keeps talking about Halloween, so it's like fresh on my mind. Okay, again, why did the scarecrow win the award? Okay, I have it, because he was outstanding in his field. Oh, I cracked myself up. Like I said, that is joke one of two. So make sure you stick in and see what the second joke is, because the first one was funny. I liked it. I read it, I saw it, I was like, I liked it, I'm gonna use it, and so I did. So anyway, let me go ahead and clear out my space so I have an idea of the usage and square footage and things like that that I have to use. And then from that, we will go ahead and start the build. So without further ado, let me do what I need to do. Oh. Okay, beautiful people, okay, I have to thank you all, because it's because of you that I cleared this actually out. Like, it's been bad for some time. Like, this is even like, what's it called, a mango tree. This is a mango tree right here, and I've just been having the pallets like laying up against it and things like that, just disrespecting the tree. But now it has breathable room. I'm gonna put some like mulch around it just to make sure it stays protected, strong, grows, and produces harvests that I can enjoy in future videos, okay? So that's neither here nor there, but I want to say thank you. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the building portion of this here pallet, what's it called? Rack, shelf, situation, contraption, clean, shabobber, okay? Anyway, so for the video I did yesterday when I broke all the different pallets apart, of course, you end up with your board pieces like this that are the pieces that connect everything together, which of course you use pallets, you already know what I'm talking about. And this will be used for a side brace scenario for my whole contraption, okay? Still don't know what to call it, so I'm gonna call it contraption by the end of this video. Maybe I have a name. But anyway, for my pallet contraption scenario, that is what I'll do. So I already put that board up. It's just leaning straight up, like just, you know, up. The other one, it wouldn't do it, like the back piece. So I'm gonna start off with that piece, cut this piece and like a quarter, well probably like 1/3 of a piece. That'll be the front piece. So you'll see me cut this in a time lapse. You'll see me attach them all with these boards, and then you'll see me ultimately put the back piece there. Now none of that makes sense. Watch the time lapse and I'll be back to talk you through what I did for it all. And of course I have a joke when I come back, okay? So make sure you stay for that goat. joke at the end of the day. And subscribe if you haven't already done so. Join the DKUJ family. Okay? That's the Joneses. That's all we do. And we do so much. And we have so much fun. Okay? So make sure you join us. I'm going to do what I need to do. Watch what I do. And if it don't make sense, make sure you tune back in so you can hear what I did. So I can explain what I did. Okay? All right. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and here we are already. Look at that. Look at that, looking like the front part of a train. Come on, man. You got to love it. Look at the organization. You know what I'm saying? Look at all this space. Look at all it is. It took a little bit longer than I expected, but nonetheless, it was completed, or it is completed. And now I can go ahead and stack my pallet wood pieces all in there. Now, what I would say is, it was a little bit difficult to move this into its respective place. So, if at all possible, build it in the space in which you're going to ultimately have it to land and to be. However, I had to move it out because I was trying to do that, but then things weren't able to line up the way I wanted to line up, and I wasn't able to get to like that side because it's a small little area in between where this contraption will go and my other waiting pallets are located. So, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, and it is what it is. Okay, and then as you can see, I have the long pieces going along the sides, you know, for support at the top, boom, and support there. And then of course bringing everything all together, do it on both sides to make sure it's nice and sturdy and firm, because you're going to be putting wood there. Wood gets heavy, wood gets wet, and you don't want the wood contraption to bend, to break, or anything like that. Okay, so matter of fact, let me go ahead and tell you the second joke. Second joke goes like this: what do you call an alligator detective? Again, what do you call an alligator detective? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? You will call none other than an investigator. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm 2 for 2, ladies and gentlemen. I'm 2 for 2. You got to love it. You got to like it. If so, smash that like button. If not, smash that like button, because that will encourage me to do better, okay? At the end of the day, I'm going to bring it again on the next videos. And I'm going to do better. I'm going to grow better. I'm going to have better jokes. And we're going to have better fun, better laughter, and better videos, okay? It's all about getting better. Okay, you heard it. With all that being said, let me go ahead and put the pallet boards back in, or in the pallet contraption, and then you'll get to see it done and complete, and ultimately how it could be in your backyard, in your front yard, on your side of your house, wherever you have your pallet boards. You can ultimately see what it'll look like when you put the boards in the contraption. Okay? Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Here it is. What a vast difference in the backyard situation now that I have my pallet boards all securely located in my pallet board holder, okay? That's what I'm gonna call it. That's what it is. A pallet board holder, ladies and gentlemen. I have my front boards here. Like the little split one situation there. My tall ones back here and other 2x4s that I also have as well. And I mean, I got the other ones. The good ones right here, the bad ones in the back, okay? Eventually those bad ones will have to go and it'll just be the good ones. So this is the situation and the scenario and how it can look for you as well. Just bring everything together. Like, it's nice and neat now. It's not like everywhere, have to walk over things and things like that. Now I can walk people back here, feel comfortable and confident with them being able to walk around, see everything, and get to the garden area, which I have a video on that tomorrow. So you want to make sure you tune back in to the DKUJ. My goodness, I'm having a hard time saying that one today. Family channel. Smash that like button if you haven't already done so. Turn that red button to a gray button. Join the family and be a part of all the different videos that we have going on. Like, look at this. Look at all that space. Man, Ricky, come back here and run now. All right, so we have the lovely Rain with the Girl Squad shirt. Rain, say hey, everybody. Tell everybody hello.
Hi, everyone.
All right, so I need you to take a look at this, what I just built. Would you come take a look at it, please? Yes. I would love to get your response to it, so come on down.
Mommy, I will be very well back. So,
all right, beautiful. Oh, you missed it. You notice anything different?
No.
No?
This?
Yeah. What do you think about it?
What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
It's my pallet wood holder.
But it looks like a doggy house.
Looks like a dog house?
Yes.
Wait, so that means you don't like it? I mean, it makes everything look neat.
Well, you need to.
Huh?
I do like it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. We'll just leave it there. All right? Oh boy. So my lovely Rain did approve of the holder. So now, hey, wait, whoa, what does that face mean? You don't really like it?
Yes, but something is happening with it.
Okay, well, hey, it's done. It's finished. My lovely Rain girl loves it, and I'm thankful for it. I'm gonna just say she loves it, even though her face says otherwise. All right, Rain, tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say have a good one. Say see you later.
But you need to put this down. This is one of more.